Advanced budgeting decisions. How to do advanced budgeting. So we want to learn from this is current trend in capital budgeting, dealing with the risk in investment decisions. Investment decisions, what are the risk we have, internal, external factor affecting the capital budgeting decisions, and methods of incorporating risk. When methods of incorporating risk in capital budgeting, adjusting present value, and optimizing a replacement cycle. This is five, six things we're going to see. So current trends in capital budgeting. What are the current trends? While discussing the capital budgeting and investment valuation techniques in an intermediate level, we have assumed that the investment proposal do not involve any risk and cash flows of the project known as certainty. This assumption was taken to simplify the understanding of the capital budgeting techniques. However, in practical factors, its assumption is not correct. In fact, the investment projects are exposed to various type of factors. Some of them are inflation, change in technology, change in government policies. These are the common things which is being affected by this investment project. If you, if you want to invest something, the price may increase by inflation. Same time, due to change in technology, we need to adopt a new technology. The current technology even can become obsolete. And the government may bring up new policies like change in GST, change in income tax, these kind of problems which we face due to this current trends in capital budgeting.